Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Jonathan, and welcome back to Money Talks, where we want to offer you financial information and meet you where you are financially so that you can stick to your budget, manage to pay off your debt, and begin to save on your path to building wealth. Today, guys, I want to talk to you about, is the stock market going to burst? What's really happening here? If this is your first time joining me here on the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like this content and find it valuable. So guys, there's so much daily rhetoric going on with the stock market. And one thing that I want to point out is, number one, is it going to burst? What's happening here? And how should you be reacting as an investor or trying to make sense of it as you start to invest in your journey? First, I want you to look at the situation that we're currently in. It's been we're coming up on a year anniversary since the whole pandemic kind of started. What a year it's been for the stock market. We had that huge dip in March last year, 2020, and then the recovery, some periods, depending on what your account looked like. Mine was in a matter of about 90 days, but there were some where about September where the gains came back of what was lost from that dip. But every day since then, it's always some dip because there was questions about the vaccine. We had elections going on. We had many different minor elections. We had new stimulus bills being proposed, and of course the Fed changing policy on that. And we still haven't gotten to the monetary fiscal policy that again could be the next step in really jolting the stock market. But yet right now the stock market is seeing huge gain. It's still huge momentum. Is it going to actually burst? And the fact of the matter is you have to understand, no, it's not going to burst. No, I don't see it about to flip, but I want you to understand where we are right now. So before the pandemic started, from an investing standpoint or investor standpoint, the last great opportunity to really get in and really start to invest in journey from a value standpoint was 2008. And when that crisis happened, the stock market dropped just as normal. And so it didn't fully recover for about a year and a half after. Then after that recovery, it went on a long run of constant growth for about 10 years. So anyone who really invested their money in 2008 really grew some wealth over that 10-year haul. If they were, number one, aggressively investing in 2008, and then if they consistently invested going forward. Again, the best time to invest is always today is the second best time to invest. The first best time to invest was yesterday. But when you're investing, there's still the rule of if you can buy things at a lower cost, you're going to have more value than just regular dollar cost averaging. So right now, I believe this scenario that we've been in with the pandemic is the same. People are a lot more aware of the investment in the stock market. People are a lot more intelligent when it comes to investing. And so they recognize this is the opportunity to really throw your money in and invest for the long haul and not get so sidetracked with the AMC, the Bitcoin, Cash App, Robinhood, all these different things that are occurring, but really recognizing like, hey, we're still in a really, really great, exceptional time to make the most of your investment dollars as we start to go on the growth path. And the stock market is reflective of what's going on in the economy in the fact of a futuristic standpoint. Remember, the stock market always looks forward. So the vaccine getting set to be released and it's already being released, that's priced in. Economic recovery in the form of a new stimulus package. The third one, that's priced in. The fact that inflation is going to be somewhat subsided by the Fed, that's priced in. The fact that the Fed has still going to back the economy and ensure that they're doing everything they can to support economic growth, that's priced in. So many things are priced in to the point that, yeah, that's what you're seeing as far as the result right now. Still a great time for you to join in this investment journey and start your wealth building journey. But yeah, you still need to have your emergency fund. I would even encourage getting rid of car loan, getting rid of credit cards as well. But if you're in that spot, yes, you do need to be investing. This still it's just one piece of your wealth building journey. I'm hoping you have a business. I'm hoping you have some real estate. I'm hoping you're able to diversify your wealth sources to perpetuate and propel you forward. I would hope at this time, no, regardless of all the news that you've seen, and you probably are consuming a lot because there's a lot coming out daily. Realize this: the stock market over time has always gone up. If you look closely at the stock market, meaning if you really zero in on a certain moment in time, then what you'll see is, hey, we've had the SARS epidemic. We've had swine flu. We've had the Great Depression. We've had wars. We've had all these different blips. But overall, the stock market continually rises. And that's what I would encourage you about this investment journey. Invest for the long haul. Me personally, yes, I still do use those index funds, total stock market index fund, S&P 500 index fund. They have proven themselves time and time again, especially in this season. So I would encourage you, if you haven't already, start your investing journey. Keep yourself plugged in, but don't do it from an education standpoint. Do it from hey, I'm trying to build this stomach tolerance to be able to enjoy the ride. But don't take in so much to a point where it starts to make you question, should you pull out? If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you're looking to get your investment journey started, please check the link description below. There's a link there for Webull. You can get 2 free stocks. One when you deposit $100 on the platform. The other when you open up an account. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.